So
Angus just asked to be in my vlog, and I wasn't filming a vlog, so now this is going to be the whole video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. It's an update. I'm so sorry for the flash, but like, sorry.
it's really instinct. You guys just like turn the corner at the exact same time.
Oh.
I think I'm just gonna.
So you have to go like this. Hold on, move.
No, I actually can do this.
Wait, move. So you go like this. So you go like this,
Yeah.
and then you have to go like that, and then see if you can stay.
What do you do?
Oh.
Bruh.
So that's fucking hard.
It was a miss.
100% admit that was not.
Wait,
no, it's like this.
Easy. Yeah. No, it's like that's the easiest fucking thing ever. And you have to like fall forward.
Turn my knees, actually. I've actually got no.
What's another challenge? What's another challenge? Oh,
You can't squat with one hand in the air. Like you can't squat.
No, you don't look fucking gay. I don't know what you're making it look like.
You can't squat with one hand in the air.
no, well, I'm actually wait.
If you pretend to shake salt into your mouth,
Do it. You
Did you do that?
yeah, no, you don't know if it's such a crazy myth.
I'm not doing it. I don't believe in myths.
Alright, so try and get up without touching the floor.
Hold on, we'll do something. Let me sit on the handlebar.
I'll lean on you first. 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 No, stop. I'll lean on you. Wow.
Mr. Irvine's leaving Sacred Heart.
Who's this? Another ranger.
This chick.
This is a part 2 to my vlog because Angus is forcing. Angus is forcing me to post it. So now this is just a little update. No! Livy's winning ping pong against Jimmy.
When should I have one at my house?
Tomorrow.
Monday.
But we have to bring. No, not Monday. At footy.
Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Not Thursday, not because it's Mama's birthday.
Wednesday. Wait, no, I'm probably.
I'll
at
wait
footy.
if I